How to get $50 working coupon code for Costco. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Costco coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, Coupon Follow. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Once you're in the website, you can just scroll and check out the offers. $20 off, $30 off, $45 off, and many more. You can head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on the offer. You're going to get the code for it. Now copy the code. Check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Costco. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. You'll get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Costco. The process is exact same. Likewise, you can head back. You can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Just scroll down and check out the offers. Well, this way you can easily get up to $50 working coupon code for Costco. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.